What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Josh. It's a Five Life Crazy Adventure. I have returned back to this old historic bridge in the woods, and man, I tell you, there's one girl back there was giving me an eye. Oh my god! You know what? I'm done hesitating myself. I'm done hesitating myself. If I see something I want to do or explore, I'm gonna do it. Because it's a trail in the woods with a bridge. If they don't want people in here, block it off, right? It's not, they'll have to put a fence up. So, let's do this. More epic videos coming. Is there any spirits on this bridge? I'm all alone, everybody. I'm all alone. Save my light juice. Battery, you know. I will sure need that. Oh, there's a lighter here. Okay. Okay, I didn't remember that in my last video here with Amy. Could you rewind? Could you go back and watch the video with when I came in with Amy? And can you see a lighter on the ledge of the bridge? I'm just curious. I sure don't remember the lighter. I really didn't remember that lighter was there when I came here. Do you know what I just discovered on the bridge? JM. That's my first name and that's my last name. I was hearing voices up there. There's no one out there. Blackout. I'm doing that. kidding me? I'm losing a battery already on my camera. If I have a chance, subscribe and follow. Join the team. There's more crazy videos coming. That's my first name and my last name. Is that insane? I keep on hearing voices that direction. Of course, they know I'm alone. The lights kind of scared me out actually. I haven't did a video alone in a long time. Sketchy. I know the feeling. It's very sketchy to do something alone. I have my question about that. Never go alone. Never go alone. I just got duped on this. Okay. I'm getting okay. It's very hot today. It was like plus 27. I just legit just got goosebumps and I'm getting chills. Any spirits? Can you imagine the voices I heard while walking on this bridge tonight? I was hearing voices. Can you imagine if that was a spirit? Oh, stop, man. That's sketchy, man. That's sketchy. That's sketchy. Oh my god. Is there any spirits on this bridge? I don't have no K2. I got no neurophonic. I just... What was that? What was that? Oh my god. What was the sound? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. What was the sound? I heard a sound. Sketchy's true now. Sketchy's coming back to me again. What was the sound? Is there a spirit here? That's sketchy. Big AF, man. I heard a big, loud thump. Oh my god. If there's any spirits though, you can't follow me. You can't attach yourself to me or my camera or myself. You stay here. You don't have my permission. You stay here. That is scary, man. That is scary. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's scary. What was that? Please tell me I got that on camera. Oh my god. Please tell me I got that on camera. A big thump came from nowhere. I don't know what that's from. A train horn. And now geese. What was the sound, man? Oh my god. What was the sound? I hope I caught that on camera. Oh my god, that's scary, man. That's scary. That's actually scary. I think I won't be here that long. I'm gonna be honest. It's sketchy, man. Sketchy here. There's no spirit to let to follow me. You stay here. You don't have my permission. You can't touch yourself to myself, my camera, my light. You stay here. What was that sound, man? That was a big thump. Oh my god, that's scary. Can I, if people know I was here alone, if people just trying to scare me? Is someone here trying to scare me? I'm Josh, Survival Life, man. Please don't scare me like that. here that long. I'm gonna be honest. That's sketchy. That thump just scared me. That was a big thump. That was scary, man. That was scary. I don't know what that was, man. That's scary. So I gotta go. It's just scary for me. Guys, that was freaky experience. That is scary. I'm sorry, guys. That is scary. I can't do that alone. That's scary. That's the most scary thing. Ow. Mosquito. Ow. So thank you for watching. I'm gonna peace out. Join the team. This is gonna blow. More epic videos are coming your way. That's scary. See you guys in the next one.